Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers in front of me, Realme 9 Pro Plus device, and now I can show you how to record calls on this phone. So, firstly, if you live in India or not in Europe or USA, so you can just open your phone application, then click on this three dots button, click settings, and here under the block numbers you will see call recording feature, but the laws of United Kingdom, of European Union, of United States and other countries, not all countries. I know that in Ukraine laws prohibits to activate this feature too. So in the list of countries, this feature is blocked. So if in your country this feature is unavailable, like in my country, so we need to use third-party applications. So I suggest to use Cube ACR. Cube ACR works really stable. Just find Cube ACR, Cube automatically call recorder, click install, click open, click next, grant permissions while you're in the app, allow, enable app connector, find here Cube ACR app connector, click Cube ACR app connector, enable, allow. Okay, go ahead. You need to provide access to the background work, so click allow. You don't need to provide location access, click OK, go ahead. You can pay for premium features, but we don't need these features to record calls. Great, and that's it. Now, if your phone has a lock feature, you need to lock your Cube ACR here. So just click on this three lines button, or if you are using gestures, you need to swipe from up to down. And here you will see your Cube ACR. Click on this two dots button and choose lock. Great. You have locked this Cube, and if you will close all applications, you will not close Cube automatically call recorder feature. So now all your calls will be automatically recorded, but you need to remember that this program, this application, will record the sound from your microphone. So if you want to record your voice and voice of your communication partner, you need to install root access, or just enable speaker mode, loud mode when calling. In this way, your microphone will pick up your voice and voice of your communication partner. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.